Everyone, very good morning. Today, so because actually I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then actually how can improve your English? So today I will discuss to how to increase your vocabularies, grammar, translation. The people are the very complicated in the grammar. The grammar is the very difficult for the speak English, and even then you start your English journey, so you are stuck in English while speaking English. That is the main reason, guys. I would say that, and because English language only the practice, different of the practice English. Do you want to learn and speak English, so you can speak English in properly, and but you should practice a lots time in the morning time. The morning time is it is the very good for your whatever you have the experience, and whatever you're the feeling shy, the people, and some people the feeling shy, and they have hesitation while speaking. They are get stuck just suddenly. But actually I want to suggest you guys to English language is very easy, but actually you should practice a lot time, approximately in the 30 minutes the 1 hours and regular basis. And please don't read the grammar, and don't complicate the grammar and translation. So people, I have seen a lot peoples, because actually and they have a lot knowledge grammar, but even then the suddenly stuck in English while is speaking, the suddenly is stuck, and actually they are not the speaking as very well right now. That is the main reason, guys. Actually English language only the focus, only the practice. And do you want to improve your English, and you have to the practice and every day, because actually guys you can see me, because actually I practice every day around 6 a.m. 1 hours 2 hours the continue. Actually I have no any environment. I don't have any environment along with no friend, but actually I am alone here in the garden. Actually I'm sitting on the chair, you can see, because actually anybody surrounding anybody know here right now. So because actually I'm alone, but actually I'm practice, and this time because my English is very weak. Actually I used to the live in my hometown. Actually my English is very weak, but actually I was not able to understand to how to start English, how to increase English. So suddenly I get stuck while speaking English. But in this time you can see, guys, because actually I'm practice every day, because my English is very bad. But actually I want to suggest you, and do you want to learn and very easy. But actually I want to suggest you, and this is my native look. I have come in my Ayodhya hometown, because actually I'm sitting in the chair right now, and this is my garden. And gradually actually I started my English journey. It was a very horrible in my life, but actually even then actually I practice every day, because actually I want to become the good speaker in my future. But guys, actually don't care grammar, translation, and these are the very complicated the for you. Whenever you start your English, and live in this matter, and don't care the grammar. The first of all, the make sentence, the little bit is the small sentences the make, and that is the main focus, guys. Only the practice the speaking the first of all, and you can listen be carefully, and then after that you can speak English and properly. So I feel that, so you can see me in all only the 1 month, and very improvement your in English. But actually guys, I would say, because actually I have a lots responsibility, the caring my family. Actually I am doing the work in Delhi right now. But actually even then I got the chance for the speak English. But actually I improving, and these days Actually, my English is not good, is very well right now. But actually, whatever I have the experience I am sharing in this video. How to start, how can you start your English, and actually don't care the complicated in the matter. But actually, I want to suggest you, please make sure watch the video until end, and it make sentence the little bit is the make sentences, and small sentences the make, and you can see surrounding, and please observe, and that anything else. Actually, you don't know about the any grammar the mistake, and you can just search the Google, and as well YouTube channel. So a lots of video you get on YouTube channel and Instagram and Facebook. Actually then this generation is very easy for the way. So anything's find it is soon in your life. But actually I want to suggest you guys, so you will learn English very easy tips. But actually, and you should practice a more time, so that you will get find it more things and vocabularies and anything else. But actually even then actually I'm practice, actually I'm sitting in the gardens exploring, and whatever I have experience I'm sharing in this video. I hope that you are understand on this language, because guys you are very interested watching on this video. Please and like and share on this video. I would say that, and please subscribe this channel so that you will get notifications soon for the new videos. So guys, you can see me that, and because actually my English is that is not is very well, but right now so I have the experience, I have the any experience I'm sharing on these days, because actually I'm very happy right now. So guys, actually kindly I request to you, humble request to you, please like and share in this video, so that for the new video. Thank you for the watching. I will meet you the next video, guys. Thank you so much. I love you so much, guys. Bye bye, take care.